National Weather Service in Fort Worth has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Somerville County in north-central Texas, northern Bosque County in central Texas, Hood County in north-central Texas, until 9 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 7:41 p.m. Central Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Lipan to Hico, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 70 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects considerable tree damage. Damage is likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Severe thunderstorms will be near Lipan around 7:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Iredell around 7:50 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Meridian State Park, Dinosaur Valley State Park, and Squaw Creek Reservoir around 8:05 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Granbury, Glen Rose, Meridian, and Oak Trail Shores around 8:10 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Pecan Plantation around 8:20 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Lake Whitney around 8:35 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Other locations impacted by these severe thunderstorms include Walnut Springs, Eulogy, Stockton Bend, Copperell, Brazos Point, Mambrino, Toller, Morgan, Acton, and Lake Granbury. For your protection, get inside a sturdy structure and stay away from